Underwater imaging has long been used in the field of marine ecology, but decreasing costs of high-resolution cameras and data storage have made the approach more practical than in the past. Image-based surveys allow for initial samples to be revisited and are non-invasive compared to traditional survey methods. The protocols are driven by target species behavior and survey objectives.
This method can help answer key ecological questions for species of interest, such as their abundance, distribution, and habitat associations.
Demonstrating parts of the procedure aboard the fishing vessel Liberty is Craig Lego, a graduate student in our lab.
To set up the equipment on the vessel deck, arrange the pyramid as described in the text protocol. The pyramid is a pressure-sensitive winch with a fiber optic cable, which is on a drum, and attached to a slip ring. Attach the junction box to the pyramid. Next, attach the cameras and lights to the pyramid. Then, connect the cameras and lights to the junction box with camera and light cables. Run the fiber optic cable through the sheave and attach it to the davit. Attach the vessel hydraulic winch cable to the pyramid. Set up the equipment in the vessel wheelhouse. To attach the deck end of the wheelhouse, run the fiber optic cable to the optical slip ring on the pressure-sensitive winch. After setting up the computers as described in the text protocol, connect the cameras and lights to the vessel wheelhouse. To attach the wheelhouse end of the wheelhouse, run the fiber optic cable into the wheelhouse and attach it to the fiber optic interface on the desktop computer and the light power plug. Launch the field data.